It's not magic, it's a little science experiment. Make a circle of steel wool. Put a cell phone in it. Dial the phone. The steel wool sparks instantly. This is the radiation from a cell phone call. Touch the garlic with your hand. You can easily lift the yolk. This is the disulfide bond. Draw a circle in the pan with the garlic. The eggs will come out round. Sprinkle a little salt on the table. You'll be able to stand the egg. Fold 5 toothpicks in half and lay them together. Put a few drops of water in the center. The toothpicks become 5-pointed stars. That's the tension of water. There's no way you can get a straw through a potato. Seal the tip of the straw with your thumb, and you poke it, and the potato is broken through. That's the power of compressed air. Pouring Sprite into a wilted rose. Roses magically come back to life. Pour sand into a pie pan. Shake it well. Put a small magnetic ball. The ball starts to draw on the sand. Add baking soda and a cup of white vinegar to the cup. Pour the resulting gas into an empty cup. This invisible gas was able to extinguish a burning candle. This is how a fire extinguisher works. You crush a match head into powder. Pour it into a lock that won't open. Stick a match in it. Light it. Wait for the match to reach the hole. The lock magically opens. Simulate a rocket launch. All you need is a match. Break the match and roll it in tin foil. Pull out the matchstick. Put it on the launching pad. Ignite and fire. Place 3 bottle caps on the circular magnet. Put another piece of glass to spin the gyroscope. Remove the base plate. The gyroscope is suspended. This is a magnetic levitation battery. Magnets on both ends. Into a closed copper coil. This is how an electromagnetic train runs.